Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Varesine blue. To start off with, then, you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Varesine blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, making the car feel nice and airy. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 10,903 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone. You also have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response modes, ride height, and of course wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for the hot summer months as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this, you do in fact have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel at a comfortable temperature. Finally, this vehicle also features a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And it also features a off-road mode, ideal for those off-road days. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.